But tonight, in the wake of this verdict, many are asking, should charges have even been brought in this case in the first place? And did the police chief and the state's attorney, now no longer in those positions, initially make the correct call in not filing charges? Did the special prosecutor appointed by the governor file charges because of political pressure? I've said this before. The power is enormous, the process overwhelming, the consequences dire. It is a decision to engage and put into motion the criminal justice system. The decision to charge someone with a crime. The decision that puts everything about the accused at risk. His reputation, his livelihood, his family, and his civil liberties. The one who makes this decision, the one who carries the ultimate power, the district attorney, the chief prosecutor. And tonight, George Zimmerman is a free man, acquitted of the murder of 17-year-old Trayvon Martin. But in the aftermath of this verdict, the nation grapples with the difficult issues played out in that small courtroom in Sanford, Florida. Self-defense, profiling, manslaughter, stand your ground. The ultimate question, though, should charges have even been filed in the first place? The duty of a prosecutor is not merely to convict, but to seek justice. The duty of a prosecutor is to be fair and objective to both sides. The duty of a prosecutor is to follow the law. The job is a weighty one. It is a difficult one, but it becomes even more problematic when public pressure becomes part of the equation. Problem every elected prosecutor encounters. I know. I've faced the public outrage of unpopular prosecutorial decisions. But any prosecutor worth his or her salt knows politics ends on election night. Politics have no place in the courthouse, and politics must be abandoned on the courthouse steps. The job is about the law and the facts, nothing more and nothing less. The obligation to bring charges and engage the system only where the prosecutor believes that the case can be proven beyond a reasonable doubt to the unanimous satisfaction of the entire jury.
When we announced the charges 15 months ago, we also promised that we would seek the truth for Trayvon Martin and due process for George Zimmerman, that we would get all of the facts and details of this very difficult case before a jury, and that we chose to do it that way because we felt that everyone had a right to know everything about this case.
Almost every legal expert on both sides of the aisle agreed, though, in contrast